Hi, it's Kath Molloy, and welcome back to Mad for Mondays. I have an amazing guest here that we've met at breakfast. We have so much synergy, and we're looking at collaborating in 2020. So, very excited. And I'd love you to introduce yourself and let people know what you do to make a difference on a Monday.
Absolutely. Thank you, Catherine. It has been an enjoyable morning, very energetic, very inspirational. My name is Dr. Denise Farrar Somani. I am in Silicon Valley, the hub of the world. And it has been a great pleasure to be here and to meet with you. And part of what I do is actually implant seeds, if you will, allow for individuals to grow in their particular power. I have a data analytics firm that we are advancing technology into artificial intelligence. We also have a nonprofit called Fifth Wave. And our nonprofit for Fifth Wave focuses on STEAM education. And STEAM education allows for underrepresented youth all the way up to adulthood to actually be inspired, to unlearn, and to relearn in their own power and strength, to build their inspiration through empathy and understanding of others, to move forward to make a greater impact in the world. They learn entrepreneurship, engineering, robotics, data analytics, environmental science, so we truly can make their greatest impact in the abundance that they get from their learning. And it has been a great pleasure to speak with you. And I so look forward to building out our synergy and impacting the world in 2020.
Wow, that's amazing. So much that you do. And I love that you're working with the youth too, because, we really understand when they start to use the power of their 700,000 different movements for good, it makes such a different mind shift. Thank you for empowering them and giving them amazing tools for the future. Well, I hope you have a great week and start to think about perhaps maybe there's something that you would love to do and help the youth of the world too. Speak soon.